sabihin na Jadi Kamuningan. Salamat tulong po dahil hiling ko po para po ini sa iyo. Sa dami sa bata ko, ang pamilya sa Gordona. Salamat tulong po gihapon tani sa iyo.
To everybody, thank you for making time and effort to dress the great Gatsby team. So Aloha, I think the best dress for tonight is Miss Aloha. So si Miss Aloha, Aloha. Dali na! Come on! So ibig sabihin, she's the party girl in town. Kaya na! Dali na! Dali na, mapapicture na ito. So sa lalaki naman, ang best dress para sa ako ay si Kirili! Siyempre, mapapicture kita. Hindi, solutong ko manahanap ko. Dali niya! Para sa best dress for tonight is Miss Aloha. For the male category naman is Mr. Kirili. Di ka masakada. Thank you. I would like to end this with my great, overwhelming thank to everybody for coming here, and hopefully okay lang kayo kanina nung nag-brown out, and I would just like everybody to enjoy. That's it. Enjoy, and thank you God na hindi umulan.
Maraming salamat and congratulations. Akala mo tapos na, John Ray, dito ka muna sa unahan. Saglit lang. Pakihawakan ng microphone, you will be needing that. Okay, so sinasabi sa John Ray dati na gustong-gusto niya talaga iangat ang tourism industry, lalong-lalo na ng Bulan. Dati nakikipag-coordinate siya with the provincial tourism head, Mr. Bobby Higantone, and unfortunately, hindi man siya part ng tourism department ng Bulan. It's a true manifestation that you don't need to be in a position to elevate the tourism industry. You just need a multi-million peso. Charot na!
Multi-million peso loan.
Maraming salamat. And of course, sabi ko nga kanina, alam ko nakapagpasalamat naman na talaga siya kanina by words kahit na walang microphone. Pero ngayon, actually pinapunta ko talaga siya sa unahan because I want to make a twist. Siyempre, kilala naman natin si John Ray, entertaining people with the great local and resident performers. Why not give it a chance? Why not give it a try? Mr. John Ray Cordola to sing I Believe I Can Fly. Palakpakan naman.
I used to think that I could go on, and life was nothing but for someone. But now I know the meaning of tonight. I'm leaning on the everlasting arms. If I could see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. See me running to the open door. I believe I can fly. 'Cause I believe I can fly. 'Cause I believe I can fly. See, I was on the verge of breaking down. Sometimes silence make it sing so loud. The miracles in life must achieve. But first I know it starts inside of me. If I could see it, The sky